I got you, my nigga. Alright, so since you have seen the thumbnail and the title of this video, you already know, alright? You already know this video is it's my first video, nigga. Alright, you wanna know about me? Guess what? Welcome to my YouTube channel!
Oh, sauce it down, sauce it up. You too much, ain't enough, ain't enough. Where you from? Throw it out, going nuts.
So, you wanna know about me? My name is Will, and I'm / an entertainer / an actor. Alright? I'm 19 years old, and yeah, that's what you need to know in this first video. You feel me? I hate China and India, so this is no controversial, but if you guys want me to upload more content, alright, let's get 100 likes. No, nah. 50 likes, 50, 100, I don't know, but bro, I need 100 likes. Alright, I'll be here making my next video. Bro, I just like this alone. Alright, even if I get 99 likes, it's okay. I'm gonna be making some YouTube videos, which is cool. I like it, you feel me? So yeah, that I don't have much to say, so I gotta end this. Yes, yeah. If you don't wanna know about me, alright, fuck you.